In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Samsung DeX with your Samsung phone. So my phone's literally connected to my laptop right now, and what you're seeing here on my screen is literally my phone, and you can use it as a PC. You can connect it to like a monitor or a laptop or whatever. These are my apps, and I can use them with my mouse and keyboard. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Also, I'll just flash on the screen like a list of the different devices that are actually compatible. So, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you're gonna need three things. First of all, a cable. Usually the other side, one side USB, and then the other side whatever goes into your phone. So in my case, that's a USB-C, because I've got Samsung S10 Plus, which I'm recording on right now. A TV, a monitor, or anything. It also works with a laptop, and yeah, a phone, which I'm using to record. You plug the one end of the cable into your phone as normal. There we go. So I got it plugged in. So first of all, you're going to want to switch your TV on. Then you're going to want to go and find the USB where you can plug a USB in, usually on the back of your monitor or television or laptop or whatever. So here you go. You got my USB port there. There we go. I've got mine plugged in. An S10 Plus, Samsung S10 Plus. You're going to want to go up into the different device controls, and you're going to want to swipe to Samsung DeX. If it's not already there, you can add it easily by going into the edit buttons section and finding it and dragging it onto the buttons there to add it. But here it is, Samsung DeX on the top right corner of mine, and it should activate. I'm actually going to use my laptop since my monitor/TV doesn't seem to work. I think it has to be specifically a monitor since this is actually a TV. So I'm just going to go and do it with my laptop here, and you're just going to plug the other end of the cable into it, or the back of a monitor if you're using a monitor. Let me just try and get that in there. Yeah, I've got it plugged in. Should come up on my screen. And then yeah, you're in. You can use your phone as your PC, and you can just and yeah, you can do whatever you want. So for example, down in the bottom corner here, you can go into your apps, and you can literally just go on whatever apps you want from your phone. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and put on notifications so then you can see when my next video comes out. And see ya.